Okay, you guys, so this is what happened. So we did this question earlier today, and we were using hypothesis testing for one sample proportion, right? So this is the question that we did, and I actually just have one correction. So here, this 15.7 is still our P. So that's the population parameter. So the population proportion, so still P is equal to 15.7. Uh, the P hat is still 76 out of 400, but the way that we calculated the test statistic was wrong. So let me go ahead and just go to this whiteboard. So basically, the formula that I wrote down was P hat minus P divided by square root. Now here's where the mistake is. Instead of P hat, this should actually be a P. So this is the test statistics. So right here in your notes, just go ahead and put not a P hat. Should be P. So everything should be the same. So in this case, what did we say? For the problem, I think P hat is equal to 76 out of 400. And then the value of P was equal to, what was P? Oh, 0.157, right? So in the denominator here, right, what we're going to have is we're going to have Z is equal to 76 over 400. I forgot what that was. I think it was 0.19 minus 0.157, right, divided by the square root of 0.157. Sorry, my writing is really horrible since I'm using a touchscreen. Divided by 400, right? And then when we go ahead and solve this, I'm going to get something completely different. So if I go ahead and put that in my calculator, I don't know what I get, but it's not 1.68. It should be like 1.8 something. So after we finish that, then that's when we can go ahead and use normal CDF. So if you remember in the normal table, we were looking at everything that was greater than that. So everything's still the same. It's just going to be this new value that's going to go in here. So when we write normal CDF, okay, I'm writing everywhere, sorry. So when I write normal CDF, right, my lower bound is now going to be the 1.8 and continues on, right? Okay, so right before I leave you guys, I'm going to show you guys one more thing. So we were using StatCrunch earlier, so let me go ahead if this loads. We were using StatCrunch, and I want to go ahead and show you guys how to use the hypothesis test on StatCrunch. So I'm going to go ahead and open a StatCrunch data. So then I'm going to click on Stat, and then I'm going to go to proportion stats, one sample with a summary. So the number of successes that we had from the previous question, so if I go ahead and click on that, I think that was 76 out of the 400, right? So we're going